This will be a video explaining how I got the handle of the Nerf gun onto the Xploderz model. This has gone through some more modifications since the last video, but still the same concept. This is the stock gun without the back or the front, that's opposite. I had to cut out the orange part in the front and I super glued the parts that normally go in because they like to come out a lot, and then I super glued this PVC part, the PVC coupling, so I could easily attach the barrel. For the handle, I cut off the original handle, it's where it should be, and I cut a hole in the bottom of the gun so that the rail of the Nerf gun would fit tight in there, and then when I screwed the gun together it would clamp down on the rail. So this is just a big rail for the Nerf gun. Then I had to cut a hole through here, the whole way through the gun and into the firing square part. I made sure that when I pulled this back that it was at maximum pull. The plunger only goes about a centimeter more back before it stops. And right now it's a little worn out. I've been firing it a lot. I need to pull it back and scrape it a little bit. I guess this will be a video for how to fix that too. You pull your gun, you can see this is the original plunger for the original gun, and there's a screw. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a screw in there. You might be able to see it. I cut it off so that it fits in the gun, slides through, and you can't really see it, but this is a tube that I cut out to fit. It fits exactly the plunger. It just makes it look nicer so you don't see the plunger moving through. If you still have any questions about it, this is the Nerf Night Finder. I used to look like this somewhat. So this is the one from my other video. I had to cut all of this part out so it would fit and the plunger could slide through cleanly. This part, all of this is cut out. I just fired the gun. This is all cut off just to make it look cooler. You could leave it on if you want, doesn't really matter. The reason I cut off the original handle is because when I pulled the plunger back it would hit. When I cut the handle off I knew I would have problems with the stock. So this is the part that holds the stock, and this is the piece that was in the handle. I took it out, I screwed it into this screw at the very end, make it fit. I used the heat gun on this to melt it so that when I can still put it in and still have the stock. The handle is a lot longer. It's about 4 inches more. I've got pretty long arms so I can reach it, but it is a reach. And this gun does look pretty sweet. I mean, if you were walking around, somewhere and someone saw you with this gun and it was painted, you'd probably get shot. It does still fire the original bullets. I made sure that it could. It still has the same clip, same everything. If you have any more questions, you could drop a comment. You can inbox me. If you inbox me, I might not get it. I don't really check that a lot. But if you comment it, I might see it. So I hope this helps anyone that's looking to add a trigger. I don't know that there's any of them out there that have a trigger mod. So I hope this gives you an idea or inspires you. If you make a different video with a different handle or a different trigger mechanism, please let me know, because I want to use it. Not use it, but I might get some ideas with it too. Thanks for watching.